If you want to uninstall Blender from your PC and you want to do it the right way, this video will walk you through it step by step. First, make sure Blender is completely closed before you start. If it's still running in the background, Windows may not let you remove it properly. Closing it first helps avoid any errors during the uninstall process. If this guide helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Now, let's get into it. To begin, click the Start menu on your Windows PC and type Apps and Features into the search bar. When the result appears, open it. This is where Windows keeps a list of installed programs on your computer. Once the Apps and Features window opens, look through the app list until you find Blender. If you have a lot of apps installed, you can use the search box inside the Settings page to make it faster. When you see Blender in the list, click on it to reveal more options. Then click Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm that you want to remove the program, so go ahead and confirm the removal. This step deletes the main installed Blender program files from your computer. After that, the uninstall process will run, and once it finishes, Blender should no longer be installed on your PC. Now, there is one optional step that is worth doing if you want to clean up leftover files. Open your Documents folder and look for a Blender folder if one is present. Some versions of Blender may leave behind saved settings, cache files, or user data in that location. If you no longer need those files, you can delete the Blender folder manually. Be careful here, because this is optional and only should be done if you are sure you do not need any saved preferences or project-related data stored there. And that's it. You've now uninstalled Blender from your PC, and if you chose to, cleaned up the leftover files as well. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.